If you are not following us, you will probably never see us again. But if you are, then congratulations, you are growing every single day. Today, we are cracking the vault of the elite. In the volatile world of finance, intelligence is the only edge. Yet the most profitable quant strategies have always been locked away in corporate silos. Enter Subnet 88, Investing88. This is Bittensor's decentralized Quant Fund, the first open-source AUM platform designed to optimize your wealth through pure, verified machine learning. No gatekeepers, no 2 and 20 fees, just democratized alpha. Welcome to the beast of financial intelligence. To understand Investing88, you first need to understand quant. Imagine two traders. One is human. He gets tired, he gets greedy, and when the market crashes, he panics and sells at the bottom. The other trader is a quant, a mathematical model. It doesn't have a heart, it doesn't sleep, and it never gets scared. It looks at millions of data points per second to find tiny patterns that no human eye could ever see. Quant is simply trading with pure logic instead of human emotion. Subnet 88 takes thousands of these emotionless math geniuses and puts them to work for you. It's Wall Street intelligence without the Wall Street ego. Traditional quant funds hoard their strategies, charging 2 and 20 fees on billions in AUM, while retail investors are left with scraps. Centralized models lack diversity, leading to a 90% trial failure rate due to biased data. Even worse, current decentralized alternatives lack verifiable scoring, exposing you to massive fraud risks. This silos a $10 trillion finance market, wasting $50 billion yearly in sheer inefficiency. The bottleneck is clear. Elite access in an open world is a relic of the past. Advanced financial analysis demands total democratization. Currently, the world's best financial intelligence is trapped. SN88 Investing88 solves this by leveraging Bittensor's incentive layer to turn strategy submission into a competitive global marketplace. Miners craft sophisticated quant models, while validators use rigorous backtesting to rank their performance. Rewards flow in alpha tokens based on merit, not marketing. This builds a truly decentralized AUM system, starting with optimized tau staking and expanding into global equities. There are no upfront fees, only rewards for results. The solution is open intelligence for finance, a unified high-frequency quant trading engine that scales with the network. This is the financial rail for the machine age. What is SN88 Investing88? Investing88 is Bittensor's premier quant finance subnet. It hosts the 88 Quant Fund, the first decentralized hedge fund on the chain. Miners submit their allocation tables into a dedicated directory, and validators score them using composite metrics that factor in return and risk. The current stats reveal a massive entry point. Alpha price is 77 cents, market cap is $2.81 million, and the staking APY is a robust 45%. Integrated with Trusted Stake for institutional execution, SN88 is the marketplace where finance meets decentralized machine learning. It's not just a subnet, it's an asset manager that never sleeps. Real-world problem. In the real world, elite quant trading yields 300 to 500% APR, but it's locked behind a $1 million minimum buy-in. Retail investors face high fees and low diversity, leading to massive drawdowns in volatile markets. Centralized funds often fail under backtesting rigor, wasting $50 billion annually in poor capital allocations. Without open access, the $10 trillion asset market remains fragmented and fragile. The problem is simple. Scalable financial intelligence demands a meritocracy. Elite silos kill innovation, and until now, advanced analysis has been inaccessible to the masses. Billions are lost every year to the gatekeepers. How Investing88 addresses it. Investing88 addresses this fragmentation by crowdsourcing strategies through the Bittensor meritocracy. Miners optimize their allocations while validators backtest for MAR and LSR scores, ensuring the highest return for every unit of risk. This system targets low drawdown, high return performance, which has already demonstrated double-digit gains in just 17 days. It handles diverse assets like Tau alphas and is expanding into retail-ready public funds. By turning elitism into an open marketplace, Investing88 solves the allocation crisis with decentralized AUM. Financial intelligence is finally democratized. How it works. The mechanism is industrial grade. Validators post challenges like optimize Tau staking, and miners respond with strategy files containing their best allocations. Validators then backtest using the MAR ratio, calculating return over risk, and the LSR, which measures profit and loss consistency. UMA consensus then ranks these miners for alpha rewards. The monthly pool of emissions attracts top-tier financial engineers who evolve their strategies daily. The alpha token acts as the fund ticket, ensuring the system remains ethical and performance-driven. It is a living, breathing financial marketplace. Uniqueness and specialty. Investing88's specialty is its status as the first decentralized quant fund on Bittensor. It features a unique composite scoring system using the Kelly criterion for odds-based allocation. The project is designed to be deflationary for potential fees and buyback mechanisms. Unlike centralized funds, SN88's backtesting rigor is transparent and verifiable on-chain, outperforming the black boxes of Wall Street. Its uniqueness lies in the miner flywheel, where the best incentives drive the fastest fund growth. Investing88 is the specialty hub for the world's most advanced financial intelligence. Who needs this? Consumers. The consumers are the innovators of the new economy. Quant traders seeking 500% APR, retail investors looking for a managed public fund, and institutions needing diversified, AI-driven AUM. It serves the $10 trillion finance market that is hungry for verifiable alpha. From DeFi users optimizing their Tau staking to hedge funds seeking a decentralized edge, Investing88 provides the open intelligence needed for high-stakes analysis. We are building for the financial architects who are ready to move beyond the legacy bank. The machine economy needs its own treasury. The competitive edge. Our edge is transparency. Decentralized backtesting beats centralized black boxes every single day. The 45% APY creates an unbeatable magnet for liquidity, while the low $2.8 million market cap offers massive upside potential. Our integration with Trusted Stake ensures that these strategies are executed with institutional-grade security. We are cheaper than traditional 2 and 20 funds because we remove the corporate overhead. Investing88 is the disruptive edge in financial analysis, leading the quant revolution from the front. The old world can't compete with open source merit. The ecosystem niche. Within the Bittensor ecosystem, SN88 fills a vital quant finance niche. It complements subnets like SN120 Affine by providing the active strategies that fuel their routing. There is currently no direct rival for decentralized AUM on the chain, making SN88 an essential partner for every DeFi-focused project. It synergizes with the entire network, positioning Tau as the primary currency for financial intelligence. It is the ecosystem enhancer that turns raw emissions into sustainable fund revenue. The quant marketplace is now amplified. Architecture and performance. The architecture uses a proprietary ensemble model to process miner outputs, ensuring low covariance and high diversification across the fund. We utilize daily scoring with rebalancing to maintain optimal performance. The metrics speak for themselves. a 3.63% drawdown with a 12.95% return in just 17 days. The system is modular, ready for an imminent expansion into U.S. stocks. This is enterprise-grade backtesting scaled for the internet. It is the robust hardware-grade software required to manage the trillions of the future. Production and revenue. Investing88 is production-ready and has been live since December 2025. The 88 Quant Fund currently manages over 2,300 TAU in AUM and is growing. Our revenue model is transparent, a 2% AUM fee and a 20% performance fee on profits. We are projecting over $100,000 in annual recurring revenue as we scale our staking pilots. Financial intelligence is finally being monetized at scale. We are ready for expansion, ready for the stocks, and ready for the world. Partnerships and backing. Managed by the Mobius Fund team and integrated with Trusted Stake, SN88 has the ultimate technical backing. Our team comes from elite quant labs and high finance backgrounds. We operate with an open source ethos. No VC gatekeepers, just builders and stakers. Investing88 is builder-backed and community-driven, creating a strategic pillar for the entire TAU ecosystem. We are the quant connectors, bridging the gap between machine learning and global capital. We are backed by the experts, built for the people. Roadmap, July 2025 and beyond. The roadmap is a path to total market dominance. Phase 2, launching in July, brings the introduction of U.S. equities. Phase 3 will expand into multi-asset portfolios, including Forex. The ultimate goal in Phase 4 is full-scale autonomous AUM for the global market. Recent updates include the successful launch of the public fund and the rollout of the Validator V2 engine. Investing88 is future-proofing quant machine learning. We are just following the market. We are creating the new standard for advanced analysis. The bull case. The bull case is simple. Investing88 captures the global quant market. A 10x move from the current $2.8 million market cap is just the beginning of the adoption curve. As SN88 becomes the recognized finance hub for the entire TAU ecosystem, enterprise interest will scale AUM into the billions. With TAU at $178 fueling the emissions, the synergies will explode utility and drive the market cap toward 30 million and beyond. This is the path to total financial intelligence dominance. The bear case. The bear case factors in emission dependency and the risk of low adoption if the quant niche remains too specialized. Centralized funds could attempt to undercut decentralized fees, and extreme bear markets could dilute the token value. However, our focus on sustainable revenue and bear-proof hedging strategies mitigates these risks. Like any high-stakes financial system, execution is key to scaling. But in a world moving toward decentralization, the risk of staying with the legacy bank is far higher than the risk of the future. Staking math? Let's do the math. TAU is at $178. Staking 5 TAU, roughly $890 at a 45% APY, earns you about 0.19 TAU per month. That's nearly $34 in passive income today. But if SN88 hits its 10x target of a $28 million market cap, those monthly rewards could grow to $340. Compound your yield, embrace the volatility, and stake the future of financial intelligence. This is the high-yield path to the trillion-dollar economy. Subnet 88 Investing88 is democratizing the world of quant finance. By bringing decentralized AUM and advanced analysis to the Bittensor network, we are powering the next generation of wealth. With a 45% yield and a mission-critical role in the TAU revolution, the time to unlock alpha is now. Stake today at investing88.ai and become part of the financial insurgency. The revolution has been traded. The future is unified. Join the Quant Fund of the people. Thank you for learning with us. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research. Always invest what you can afford to lose. But remember, the biggest risk in this new AI economy is not taking any risk at all. Our intention is to educate you and bring a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, Bittensor Tau, directly to your screen. The New Age slogan is, don't wait to buy Tau, buy Tau and wait. Please like, share, and subscribe to Buy, Stake, Chill. We bring you the real alpha.